Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're traveling back in time, way back, to uncover one of the biggest mysteries of the prehistoric world. What was on the menu for the dinosaurs? When you picture a dinosaur, what's the first thing that comes to mind? A giant T-Rex with its massive teeth? Or maybe a gentle Brachiosaurus munching on leaves? Well, you're right on both counts. The world of dinosaur diets was incredibly diverse, and it all boils down to two main groups: the herbivores and the carnivores. Let's start with the plant eaters, the herbivores. These guys were the majority. Think about it. For any ecosystem to survive, you need a lot of plant eaters to support a smaller number of meat eaters. Dinosaurs like Triceratops, with its beak-like mouth, were perfect for snipping tough, low-growing plants like ferns and cycads. Then you have the long-necked giants, the sauropods like Diplodocus and Brachiosaurus. Their incredible height was a huge advantage. They could reach the high-up leaves of conifer trees, kind of like giraffes of the Mesozoic era. They didn't really chew their food. Instead, they'd strip branches and swallow the leaves whole. How did they digest all that tough plant material? Many scientists believe they swallowed stones called gastroliths, which would grind up the food in their stomachs. Imagine having a rock tumbler in your belly. Now, for the ones that get all the movie glory, the carnivores or meat eaters. And of course, we have to talk about the king, Tyrannosaurus rex. T-Rex had a bite force strong enough to crush bone. Its teeth were like serrated railroad spikes, designed for tearing through flesh. We know from fossilized bite marks on other dinosaur bones that T-Rex wasn't a picky eater. It would hunt large herbivores like Triceratops and Edmontosaurus, but was T-Rex purely a hunter? The debate still rages. Some evidence suggests it might have also been a scavenger, using its powerful sense of smell to find carcasses to eat. Why waste energy on a dangerous hunt when there's a free meal available, right? But T-Rex wasn't the only carnivore on the block. There were many others, each with its own unique hunting style. Take the velociraptor and know they weren't the giant scaly monsters you see in the movies. Real velociraptors were about the size of a turkey, covered in feathers, and likely hunted in packs. Their secret weapon was a large, sickle-shaped claw on each foot, perfect for latching onto and dispatching smaller prey. Then there were giants even bigger than T-Rex, like Spinosaurus. This incredible dinosaur lived in and around water. With its long, crocodile-like snout and cone-shaped teeth, it was perfectly adapted for catching fish. Fossil evidence shows it ate giant prehistoric fish, making it one of the few known semi-aquatic dinosaurs. So how do we know all this? Paleontologists are like detectives of the ancient world. They study fossilized teeth to understand what they were built: for flat teeth for grinding plants, sharp teeth for tearing meat. They analyze fossilized dino droppings called coprolites, which can contain bits of undigested food like plant fibers or bone fragments. And sometimes they get incredibly lucky and find fossilized stomach contents, giving us a direct snapshot of a dinosaur's last meal. It's amazing what we can learn from these clues left behind millions of years ago. From the gentle giants browsing the treetops to the fearsome predators ruling the land and water, the dietary habits of dinosaurs were as varied and fascinating as the creatures themselves. The prehistoric world was a complex food web, with every dinosaur playing a crucial role. It just goes to show you that whether you're eating a salad or a steak, you're part of a long history of life on Earth. What's your favorite dinosaur? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey back in time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing adventures. See you next time.